Hey guys, we're back again and live at 5:36. I'm going to copy our list here of 30 spots. On the way up, battling for Omar's Jordan Panoramic picture. As seen here. Oop, ran right by it. There it is. I got 30 spots. Paste them in there. As you can see, 30. Going to roll the dice. Got to get at least a 5. Slowly got a 7 there, so we're good to go. Good luck. Here we go. Rich takes round 1. Zach 2. Tyler takes round 3 with number 9. Zachary round 4. Joe 5. Zach again on top in our next to last round, round 6. Bringing us to the last round. Good luck, folks. Here we go. And our winner is Carlos in at number 13. Congratulations, Carlos. Here's the verification. ZEEXVV. Carlos in at number 13 is the winner. I'm done at 5:37. There you have it. Again, here's the official results. Congrats, Carlos. See you next time, guys. Thanks.